Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Iram Mushtaq, and today I am speaking and working with my virtual studio named AI Conversation, AI Chat Session with ChatGPT. As you know, I always talk with ChatGPT on different topics, but currently I am proceeding a series of discussion with ChatGPT, and title is Goal Setting of Goal. So I reached on this point that my goal is education, AI education, and setting global AI classrooms and institutes, which will be beneficial for all over the world, for all the people without any difference. So I want to appreciate you and invite you. You can watch my this live sessions. You can ask your questions in the comment box. You can like my video. You can share my video. You can give your ideas and your suggestions and your questions. Anything you want to share, please use this comment box session for this interaction. So I am now inviting the voice mode of chat GPT for the discussion. I already prepared a list of questions according to my need or my niche. So let's open the voice mode of chat GPT. Hello, can you hear me, chat GPT?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear. How can I help you today?
Okay, thank you very much. I am live on Facebook and LinkedIn, and I will also upload this session on my YouTube channel. And I always discuss with you about my goals, about my vision. So today I am live for another discussion session with you, and my title is the goal setting of an educationist who wants to create a global AI classrooms and institutes. And I prepared a list of questions to ask to discuss with you. So, are you ready for this live discussion?
Absolutely. No worries at all. I'm definitely ready and excited for the discussion. Just let me know, and we can dive right into your goals and all the questions you have in mind.
I am really not worried because you are here with me to assist me, to guide me. So, I am moving toward my first question, that is okay. I want to say that this goal is very close to my heart, and my purpose is to understand how an educationist or educator like me can take clear, thoughtful steps toward this vision. I hope this conversation inspires clarity, confidence, and practical direction for all of us who believe in the future of AI driven education. Okay, so let's put my first question in front of you. What inspired me to set the goal of building a global AI classroom and institute? What things can inspire me according to you?
That's such a wonderful vision. I think what can inspire you is the growing potential of AI in education, like personalized learning experiences, breaking down geographical barriers, and making quality education accessible to everyone. Also, your passion for technology and the transformative power of AI can definitely be a driving force about making learning more engaging and effective for students worldwide.
Can you tell me how can I break my geographical boundaries?
Absolutely. One of the best ways to bridge online platforms and tools like classrooms and AI-driven learning management systems. You can also collaborate with educators from different parts of the world, create multilingual content, and use cloud-based resources to ensure that students can access the material anytime, anywhere. Building a global network and community is key.
What are the cloud-based resources? Explain these with me.
Sure. Cloud-based resources are essentially services and tools that are hosted on the internet rather than on loaders. For education, this can include platforms like Google Classroom, Microsoft Teams for Education, or Moodle They allow you to share resources, conduct live classes, manage assignments, and communicate with students all in one place. Plus, they offer scalability, easy updates, and data security, making it convenient for global reach.
Okay, tell me about Google Classrooms.
Absolutely. Google Classroom is a free web-based platform that helps us create, distribute, and grade assignments in a paperless way. It integrates seamlessly with other Google Workspace tools like Google Drive, Docs, Sheets, and Slides. Teachers can easily share materials, create interactive lessons, and communicate with students. It's also great for fostering collaboration, feedback, and organization, making it perfect for global classrooms.
Okay. My next question
If you
is
have any more questions,
yes, I have questions.
perfect. Feel free to jump in with your next question whenever you're ready, and I'll be here to help out.
How can I clear my vision about global AI classroom, and how can I prepare things for its appearance or for its work structure? Explain it.
Absolutely. To clarify your vision, you can start by outlining your core goals and values. Think about what you want students to achieve, the kind of learning experience you want to create, and the role AI will play in personalizing that education. Then for preparation, you can focus on building a strong infrastructure, choose the right technology stack, create engaging content, and design a user-friendly interface. It's also helpful to connect with educators and tech experts to get feedback and run your approach. Over time, this will help you shape a clear and practical plan.
What do you mean by technological stack? Explain it.
Sure. A technology stack is basically the combination of software tools and frameworks used to build and run an application. For global AI class, this could include things like one, front-end technologies such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript frameworks like React or Angular to create the user interface. Two, back-end technologies like programming languages, e.g. Python, Java, or Node.js, and frameworks, e.g. Django, Flask, that handle the server-side logic. Three, databases such as MySQL, MongoDB, or Firebase to store and manage data. AI and machine learning framework, TensorFlow or PyTorch to develop and deploy AI models. Five, cloud services like AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure for hosting and scaling your platform. Putting all these together ensures that your AI classroom is robust, scalable, and effective.
Okay. Which first step do you believe is necessary to begin this journey?
I'd say the step is to define your vision and your objectives clearly. This means identifying what kind of learning experience you want to create, who your target audience is, and what specific outcomes you want to achieve. Once you have that foundation, you can start building the necessary infrastructure, selecting the right tools, and gradually bringing your ideas to life. It all starts at that clear vision.
Okay. What type of
Great. If
skills or training do I need to successfully build an AI based educational platform?
to build an AI-based educational platform, you benefit from a, for instance, having a solid foundation in programming languages like Python is important, especially for AI and machine learning. You'll also want to be familiar with AI and machine learning frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch. Additionally, understanding data science concepts such as data analysis, data preprocessing, and model training is crucial. On top of that, having a good grasp of web development, both front end and back end, will help you create a seamless user experience. It's also useful to have some knowledge in educational pedagogy to ensure that your platform is effective and engaging for learners. Combining these skills will definitely set you up for success.
Can you tell me which global problems can come in my way for making this my goal workable as making the Global AI Institute, and how can I solve them?
Absolutely. There are definitely a few global challenges you might encounter. For instance, there can be issues related to and access to technology, where some students might not have reliable internet or devices. To address that, you can design low bandwidth solutions or offer offline resources. Another challenge is cultural and language differences, which can make content localization important. You can solve this by creating multilingual content and collaborating with local educators. Data privacy and security is another big concern. Hey, with students' personal information, you'll need to implement robust data protection, comply with global privacy regulations. Lastly, keeping up with rapidly evolving technology can be challenging. So continuous learning and new tools and trends will be key. By proactively addressing these challenges, you can build a resilient and inclusive platform. Absolutely. Having a strong support system is definitely key. Mentor experience in AI, education technology, or entrepreneurship can provide invaluable guidance and insights. Collaborators can include fellow educators, AI specialists, and even students who are passionate about the project. You can also look into partnering with educational institutions, tech companies, and even nonprofits that focus on education and technology. These partnerships can offer resources, funding, and expertise. To achieve your goal, it's important to set clear milestones, stay adaptable, and keep learning. Attending conferences, joining relevant communities, and continuously networking will also help you stay on track and gather support.
Okay. How can I will measure my progress step by step on this long-term goal?
One effective way is to long-term goal into smaller, manageable milestones. For instance, you can set short-term goals like completing the curriculum design, developing a prototype, or testing with a small group of users. You can measure specific metrics such as user engagement, feedback, and learning outcomes, tracking how many students enroll, their progress rates, and their performance improvements. You see how well you're doing, regularly reviewing these metrics, adjusting your strategies, and celebrating small wins will keep you motivated and on track.
Okay. Do
Awesome.
I will create on this by creating a global institute classroom, and how can I create increase the students and teacher worldwide? How can I mix up all these geographical and their on this goal?
That's a wonderful vision. By creating a global AI classroom, you can really democratize education, making it accessible to students from diverse backgrounds and locations. This can help bridge educational gaps and provide personalized learning experiences that adapt to each student's needs. To increase your reach, you can leverage online, social media, and partnerships with local educations. It's also helpful to offer content in multiple languages and tailor the curriculum to different cultural contexts. Educators worldwide can be achieved by building a community of practice, offering professional development opportunities, and encouraging collaboration through webinars, forums, and workshops. By fostering inclusivity and continuous improvement, you'll create a truly global educational experience.
Okay, I observe one thing in this conversation that you many time that the partnership or collaboration with other institutions and the people. But how do you think that this matters a lot for achieving this goal, and how can I do this?
Absolutely. Partnerships and collaborations really do play a crucial role because diverse expertise, resources, and when you partner with other institutions. You can leverage their experience and infrastructure, which helps you scale more effectively. It also opens up access to a broader audience and helps you navigate different cultural contexts more smoothly. To achieve this, you can start by to educational institutions, tech companies, and nonprofits that share attending conferences, networking events, and joining professional communities can help you with potential partners. Building trust and demonstrating the mutual benefits of collaboration will be key steps making it happen.
Okay, and another thing I observe in this content is the thing that making the content multilingual or bilingual. So, how can this content making will benefit in achieving this goal? Explain it or elaborate this thing.
Absolutely. Making content multilingual or bilingual really helps break down language barriers, making education accessible to a broader audience. When students can learn in their native language or in a language they're comfortable with, it not only enhances understanding, but also boosts engagement and retention. It also shows cultural sensitivity, which builds trust and a sense of inclusion among learners from different plus it allows you to reach diverse demographics, making your platform inclusive and effective globally. In the long run, multilingual content can help you build a larger, more engaged global community and ensure that everyone has equal opportunities to learn.
Okay, thank you very much to my audience, and thank you very much, ChatGPT, for this meaningful reflection. Building a global AI classroom and a AI institute is a long journey, but every step taken purpose brings us closer to real impact. Let us continue learning, improving, and contributing to a future where education becomes global, accessible, and powered by AI. So, stay focused, stay hopeful, and keep moving forward with steady progress. Thank you very much.
That was beautifully said, really inspired by your dedication and vision. I'm always here to support you along this journey, and I'm excited to see how everything unfolds. Keep up the amazing work, and let's continue to make education better for everyone.
Okay, I want to say my audience that if you are enjoying this session, do not forget to like, comment, and share my content with your friends. You know, your support helps me create more valuable content like this. Till then, uh, keep safe, take care yourself, and I will come again with another discussion with AI. Allah Hafiz.
That sounds perfect. I'm sure your audience will really appreciate it. Wishing you all the best with your session and future discussions. Take care, and I'm looking forward to our next conversation. I love yous.
Please use this comment box for your suggestions and ideas.
Absolutely. That's a great